Hey you guys, welcome back to another video of mine. Today I've shared with you the look that I like to do a lot in the summertime when I don't have time or I don't have time to think about what look I want to do, and I want to be very radiant, glowy, summer ready, night ready, but it's easy, fast, and you don't have that many products. It's exactly what you see here. Light, luminous, dewy skin, big, bold, red, glossy lips, and simple on the eyes and brows. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep watching. So it's currently very, very hot and humid at the moment, and I started this video as a voiceover, so I didn't say anything that I was doing, but now I think I want to continue as a just talk through video. So here I am explaining everything I'm doing. I started off by using the Origins GinZing SPF 40 tinted moisturizer. I love this stuff so much. It's so beautiful and has such a natural finish and tint on the face. Then to conceal, I'm using first the Bye Bye Under Eye in the shade Medium, only where I have very dark circles. Then on top, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 and blending all that in with a sponge. For bronzer, I'm using Covergirl TruBlend bronzer in the shade 200 Bronze. I love this one because it's bronzy and beautiful for the summer. No! I just broke the lid! That's so sad. I hate destroying my makeup. Now to highlight, I'm starting off with a highlighting stick. This is the Sephora Luminizer To Go in the shade 12 Miss Sunshine. For highlight, I'm using MAC Oh Darling. To intensify the highlighter a little bit more just on the high parts of my face, I'm using the Hyper Real Glow by MAC. This is the Flash and Awe palette, the pink one, and I'll be using the darkest shade, just slightly over the top. The Kevyn Aucoin Light Sculpting Powder to contour my nose. I'll do blush at the end so I don't overdo it. Now to set my face a little bit just in the center, I'm using the Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. Next for eyes, I'm going to keep it super simple because the focus is skin and lips. So I'm using the WetnWild Color Icon Khol liner in Cimabrown now. And I'm just going to define my upper lash line a little bit. And then with the brush, I'm just winging that out a little bit, but the slightest little flick. Whatever's left on the brush, I am running through the lower lashes just to define a tiny bit. Then apply some mascara. Next, onto brows, you may go ahead and do the brow of your choice. I personally have full, kind of messy-ish brows, so all I really do is use a little bit of powder. I have my little MAC Duo here, and what I like to use is Brun, hard to say, and literally just shade in a little bit. To set them in place, what I like to use is just a gel for hair. I get a little spoolie, put a tiny bit, and run it through my brows. And this will make your brows stay in place for the entire day. For the lips, I'm using Cherry Lip Pencil by MAC, and I'm going to overline my lips slightly. Blend the pencil in a bit. Then on top, I'm going in with the Aveda lipstick in Jujube, a very beautiful cool tone red. On top, I'm going in with the red gloss. This is Anastasia Runway Red. Now I'm not going to put too much because this is red, and if you have too much product, it's gonna move around very easily, so mostly in the center to get that shine. For blush, I'm using Milani Luminoso. Favorite. start at the cheekbones, doing little circles, go on the apples of the cheek and the temples. Now the last thing I do is go over everything with my sponge to blend it nicely. So this is the final look. This is how it all comes together. I just love natural light skin. Like, it's my favorite makeup thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know if you like this video or not, or don't say anything, or give a thumbs up, or subscribe. Whatever your heart desires. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.